Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chase mobile banking. Let's get straight into the video. So first up, if you don't have Chase mobile app, you're going to need to download that from the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on the device you're using, and just install that and follow the prompts. And next up, you're just going to log into your account. So open that up and log into your accounts by entering your Chase online banking username and password, and then you can use fingerprint or face authentication. So once you enable that, it's going to help you to log in faster. And then for navigating the app, just use the bottom navigation bar to access different features, such as the account overview. It could be a transaction and pay bills. Now, when it comes to managing your account, there are a couple of ways that you can manage things you can do to manage your accounts. You can, of course, view account balances, so you can check account balance and transactions history. You can also transfer funds. So you can transfer funds between Chase accounts and to external accounts. You can also pay bills online and set up automatic payments, as well as you could deposit checks using the Chase mobile app. Now, for mobile deposits, you can always just endorse the check. So you sign the check and write "for mobile deposit only" on the back, and then just take a photo of the check and use the Chase mobile app to take a photo of the front and the back of the check, and then review and submit the deposits. So that's how you do mobile deposits on the mobile app. Now, for additional features, you could send and receive money with Zelle. So you can use Zelle to send and receive money with friends and family. You also have credit score tracking, so you can monitor your credit score and reports. Likewise, you have account alerts. So you can set up account alerts for low balances, large transactions, and other activities. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. That's a couple of stuff you can do on the mobile app. Hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because we really need your support, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.